When precision, power, and portability intersect, the Fantic W10 Apex Turbo Light Mini Chainsaw emerges as a clear contender in compact cutting tools. Its energy backbone, a 2,500 mAh rechargeable battery, delivers performance on demand. Fast charging via Type-C. The battery reaches 80% capacity in just 30 minutes and offers enough power to slice through up to 135 cuts of 2-inch pine, covering roughly 430 square feet of yard work in a single session. Unlock seamless control with the cutting-edge CLVX1, a next-gen keyboard engineered for precision, speed, and adaptability. Built for the modern workflow, it fuses mechanical typing with intuitive gesture navigation. No more toggling between devices or modes. With smart, integrated tech, your fingers never need to leave the keyboard. The CLVX1 lets you work faster, cleaner, and smarter. Under blazing sun or beneath starlit skies, the Everrost 240-liter electric cooler operates with rugged efficiency, making it a top-tier option for overlanders, campers, and weekend anglers. This 42-quart mobile refrigerator holds up to 54 cans and integrates a robust 288 watt-hour battery system that runs quietly and steadily, keeping contents chilled between -4 degrees Fahrenheit and 68 degrees Fahrenheit. The Insta 360 Flow 2 Pro redefines mobile content creation with cutting-edge features designed for versatile filming. It stands out with active zoom tracking, a first for gimbals, offering precise tracking even at a powerful 15x zoom, perfect for sports or live events. Multi-person tracking ensures flawless framing for group shots, making it ideal for family gatherings, camping trips, and meetups. Let nostalgia nudge you out of bed with the Nintendo Soundclock Alarmo, where the morning grind meets classic gameplay. This interactive alarm clock transforms your wake-up routine using iconic scenes, music, and characters from beloved Nintendo titles. Whether it's the soft rustle of Hyrule's wind or the jingling coins of the Mushroom Kingdom, Alarmo crafts a dynamic start to your day that feels more like play than obligation. Select your favorite Nintendo title, set a scene, choose a wake-up time, and let Alarmo bring it to life. Unleash creative potential without the clutter of multiple devices. The Lethlli Pix Cut S1 merges 3 essential tools, printer, laminator, and cutter, into a single compact powerhouse. With its patented print laminate cut automation, you can turn a single sheet of paper into a durable, waterproof sticker in under 2 minutes. No manual feeding, no machine swaps, just load your design and let the Pix Cut S1 do the rest. In a world constantly in motion where time never stands still, the Hoverpen Traverse becomes more than just a writing instrument. It's a reminder of the continuous flow of ideas. Inspired by the universe's helical motion, its sleek, smooth design reflects the harmony of forward momentum. Crafted for the dynamic individual, the Traverse is built for those who move fast and think faster. Its ultra-light 35-gram body makes it a perfect companion for life on the go. Lighter than a pair of AirPods with their charging case. When every moment counts, precision matters. That's where SwitchLens transforms your smartphone into a compact powerhouse of professional-grade imaging. Built around a true Micro Four Thirds CMOS sensor, it captures vivid 21-megapixel RAW photos with razor-sharp detail and lifelike colors. Whether you're on the streets or scaling peaks, SwitchLens delivers cinematic 4K at 120 frames per second, ensuring every second of motion is fluid and immersive. When creativity calls, the Artifon Corda answers with precision and power. This sleek, all-in-one instrument is more than a synth. It's a versatile tool that bridges the gap between tactile performance and digital production. With 12 ultra-responsive, touch-sensitive pads and a unique strummable bridge, it feels equally at home whether you're finger drumming beats, playing melodies, or strumming chords like a guitar. Designed for musicians on the move, Corda features a built-in speaker and a 5-hour rechargeable battery, plus a 1/8-inch headphone jack for private sessions and a USB-C port for effortless integration with your DAW or favorite MIDI rig. Effortlessly redefining what compact aerial photography can achieve, the DJI Flip drone delivers performance and precision in a featherweight body. Weighing in at under 249 grams, it skips FAA registration while packing serious hardware. A built-in 3-axis gimbal ensures your 4K UHD footage stays rock steady, even in breezy conditions or sharp maneuvers. Introducing the Boeio 2.0 Booklight, where precision meets innovation for a truly refined reading experience. Designed with the modern reader in mind, this light ensures your pages are perfectly illuminated, allowing you to lose yourself in every chapter without distractions. The Boeio 2.0 combines style and function, offering a sleek, compact design that easily adapts to any reading environment. From early breakfast to late-night meals, this countertop powerhouse reshapes what your kitchen can do without taking over your entire counter. The Breville Smart Countertop Convection Oven with Element IQ system brings commercial-grade precision to your everyday cooking routine, cutting down cook times by up to 30% with its convection boost. This isn't just a toaster oven, it's a highly capable kitchen assistant with 9 tailored cooking functions: toast, bagel, bake, roast, broil, pizza, cookies, reheat, and warm. The Fisto Coocha stands out as a revolutionary piece of furniture designed to integrate seamlessly into modern living spaces. With 12 cutting-edge features, this smart couch station is a game-changer for anyone looking to combine comfort, technology, and functionality. At the heart of this innovative design is the inclusion of essential home features. A built-in fan ensures air circulation, keeping you cool and comfortable no matter the season. The RGB light system lets you set the mood with customizable colors, whether you're relaxing or entertaining guests. The Fantic Slim Vive 8 is an efficient, portable cleaning tool designed to tackle dirt and debris wherever it accumulates. With a powerful 19,000 Pascal suction power, this mini cordless vacuum makes quick work of cleaning your car, office desk, or even keyboards. Equipped with 2 suction modes, the Slim V8 offers versatility for different cleaning tasks, whether you're handling light dust or more stubborn debris. Unfold an immersive workspace wherever you roam with a 17.3-inch QHD 2560 by 1920 display engineered for serious clarity and color precision. The Asus Zencreen Fold OLED is designed to eliminate compromise. Its innovative water drop hinge folds seamlessly, giving you a massive screen in a compact footprint. With display HDR 500 True Black and full 100% DCI-P 3-color coverage, every pixel brings rich contrast and lifelike tones, which is ideal for content creators, coders, and professionals demanding accuracy on the go. The M1 caliber measuring tool for miter saws streamlines the process of cutting, offering a precise and efficient solution for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This innovative tool eliminates the need for measuring and marking materials before cutting, saving valuable time on the job. By providing accurate measurements, it allows users to make quick adjustments without compromising safety. Not all grooming tools are built with this much purpose packed into such a small frame. This multifunctional mini mobile phone shaver redefines convenience with a truly compact, battery-free design. Crafted to run directly from your smartphone or mobile power bank, It's engineered for real-life mobility. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or simply tidying up before a meeting. The Chinkata electric food chopper combines efficiency with durability, making meal preparation quicker and easier. Equipped with a powerful 400-watt motor, this chopper is designed to handle tough tasks such as chopping onions, meat, garlic, and ham with ease. Featuring dual-speed settings, you can select the optimal power for each ingredient, ensuring consistent and smooth results. The 8-cup stainless steel and glass bowls provide ample space to process large portions, while the sharp, bi-level blades guarantee fast and efficient chopping. Tucked into your palm like a hidden relic, this precision-built instrument merges classic navigation with modern survival ingenuity. Forged from aerospace-grade GR5 titanium, its frame is as tough as it is refined, built to endure punishing elements while weighing nearly nothing. Its standout feature is a 15 times folding loop, not just for observation but capable of igniting tinder in sunlight, an unexpected fire starter that turns this tool into a true multi-mission asset. The 1X Player G1 stands out as a versatile, high-performance handheld console, designed to meet the demands of both gamers and professionals. Offering an unparalleled balance between power and portability, this device excels in delivering seamless gaming and productivity experiences. Its compact form factor ensures effortless use for long periods, whether you're immersed in intense gaming sessions or tackling work tasks. Designed for maximum efficiency in a minimal form, the Gravity McGreel Lite merges durability with everyday utility. Whether you're navigating the outdoors, managing daily commutes, or working hands-on, this retractable reel offers just the right balance of strength and function without weighing you down. Weighing just 5.2 ounces, it remains incredibly light while handling loads up to the same amount, ideal for keys, tools, or gadgets. Precision, elegance, and immersion meet in the most personal way possible. The Breg Zone 1 earbuds are not just audio devices. They are wearable acoustic instruments tailored to your anatomy. Forget generic fits and compromised fidelity. These earbuds are engineered from the inside out, beginning with a high-resolution scan of your ears to create a perfectly contoured shell. Within this custom shell lies a finely tuned balanced armature driver, delivering studio-grade clarity directly into your ear canal. The Lethlli Frozen Pack offers an innovative solution for keeping food fresh on the go, blending convenience, power, and portability. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts and everyday users alike, this 12-volt car refrigerator rapidly cools from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes. Its efficient compressor paired with triple-layer insulation ensures that your items stay cold for up to 4 hours without power. Precision meets compact power in a tool designed for creators who demand performance without compromise. This 10-watt mini laser engraver is engineered for fast, efficient operation while offering the versatility needed for working with wood, metal, leather, and more. Delivering 10,000 milliwatts of focused laser energy, it cuts cleanly and engraves with sharp, accurate detail, perfect for both personal projects and professional production. The Nano Bag Daypack redefines portability, offering a full-size backpack that fits effortlessly into the palm of your hand. Designed from a durable, lightweight technical fabric, this innovative daypack promises both convenience and practicality. Whether you're heading out for a hike or commuting through a busy city, this compact companion transforms from pocket size to perfectly functional in seconds. Its ultra-compact design ensures it slips easily into your pocket when not in use, taking up minimal space and leaving you free to move without any excess weight. Power meets precision with the next evolution in workspace cleanliness. The Halo Modular Air Duster delivers professional-grade airflow at 90,000 RPM, easily dislodging dust from electronics, tools, and hard-to-reach corners without relying on disposable cans. Built for continuous performance, its unlimited runtime modular station ensures you're never caught mid-task without power. Just dock, swap, and keep going. The Fantic T1 Max Cordless Soldering Iron Kit is a versatile and efficient tool designed for precision soldering tasks. With a rapid 7-second heat-up time, it reaches temperatures ranging from 390 degrees Fahrenheit to 840 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for quick and efficient soldering across various materials. Built for high-demand users, this compact 8-in-1 charging station delivers relentless power and flawless control. With a massive 260-watt total output, it handles laptops, tablets, phones, wearables, and more, all at once. A PD 140-watt single output means even power-hungry devices like MacBooks charge at full speed without compromise. The charger's sleek interface features a real-time wattage display, keeping you informed with precision. No guessing, no overheating, just efficient performance. The Rabbit R1 offers a revolutionary fusion of artificial intelligence and intuitive design, blending the versatility of Android with the power of ChatGPT developed by Rabbit Inc. in collaboration with Teenage Engineering. This personal assistant device stands out for its ability to manage daily tasks with ease. Whether it's web browsing, controlling media, or managing a range of smart home functions, the Rabbit R1 simplifies complex actions through both voice and touch inputs. Bring refinement to the wild with the Dukin Loft Penthouse, designed to transform any campsite or backyard into a stylish retreat. This rooftop tent isn't just gear, it's an upgrade. Elevate your outdoor experience with a sleek aluminum shell that opens in seconds. The interior boasts 7 feet of length and nearly 4.3 feet of headroom, offering ample space for 2 adults to stretch, relax, and rest. Breathable mesh windows and dual skylights invite cross breezes and stargazing. The Roller Pro is a sleek, durable trolley built to accommodate the needs of modern travelers and photographers. Engineered with a hybrid soft-hard construction, it balances lightweight maneuverability with rugged resilience. Its design offers enhanced access, allowing users to easily organize and reach their belongings. The trolley's robust yet thin structure ensures it can endure the rigors of travel while remaining compact enough for efficient storage. Transform your movie nights with the Dash Smart Store Stirring Popcorn Maker, designed to deliver fresh, delicious popcorn every time. With the ability to make up to 24 cups of popcorn, it brings the authentic theater experience into your home. When you're finished, simply store any leftovers with the included storage lid that seals in freshness. Space-saving design is a standout feature as the base nests neatly inside the bowl and the lid provides a secure closure for quick and clean storage.